So it's time for us to go and take a look at YouTube Music and see if this streaming platform, this music streaming platform, is still worth buying in 2025. Now, the big thing I can definitely tell you is that number one, I still think this type of platform is still 100% worth picking up and 100% worth using. Any streaming platform at all is going to be great because they're going to show you a bunch of songs and a bunch of different things like that you might have used before or that you haven't used before. And I do think this in and of itself is a really nice thing to basically be able to, buy because, the main competitors are YouTube Music, Spotify, and then Apple Music. So having something like YouTube Music with all these songs, all these different things going on within it is a very, very cool thing. Now, a very big thing to keep in mind here from this standpoint, some of the pros. Number one, there are tons and tons of songs available within YouTube Music. So basically any song you can find on YouTube, which are live performances, remixes, official songs, official albums, all those things are all available on YouTube Music. So if you can basically find it inside of the YouTube app, you can find it inside of YouTube Music. And because of that, and because the algorithm is so good, all those other additional featured songs or songs that are more tailored to you will work just like how they work when you're actually going through and using your particular song to go and find it inside of some other posts. So I do think finding a song on YouTube Music is really nice, and even finding newer songs is a really nice thing too. One of my most favorite things, there's two things. One, there's a free tier with YouTube Music. So you don't have to go through and buy the membership like you have to kind of do it on Apple Music. There's a free tier always. It's ad supported. There's not too many crazy features inside of it, but it does kind of go through and still give you a really good featureful, option instead of the free tier within YouTube Music, but it is already included within YouTube Premium. So if you already pay for YouTube Premium, then a really big appeal for something like YouTube Music is that it's already included. So you already get ad-free listening, you get the ability of offline downloads, background play, all this stuff already included within YouTube Premium, which is amazing. So I do think YouTube Music has a really strong option of just picking up because it already is included with YouTube Music. It's not necessarily perfect though. There are some kind of downsides to YouTube Music. Number one, maybe the main downside is that the UI maybe isn't for everybody. It's not the nicest looking UI of all time. And that right there could be a little bit of a problem for some people. The sound quality might not be the best either. So if you're going through and if you're trying to, listen to these particular songs, it might not sound like the best type of songs of all time, and that can be another kind of issue you might run into. There's some podcast integration issues. There's some limited social features as well. So it definitely isn't perfect, and you're definitely going to be getting some sort of problems when it comes down to it to that standpoint. But again, I don't think it's the biggest deal in the world, but it could just be one of those types of things that you might run into from that standpoint as well. So I think YouTube Music is awesome. I think it's a really, really cool, platform to use. And just know that it is already kind of included within something, YouTube Music and YouTube Premium. So kind of keep that in mind, but that's kind of how to think about it from that standpoint. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.